What's up, guys? Almost lost my FX6. This thing almost dropped from all the way up here like 10 minutes ago. Oh, oh, no way. And so I figured I'd make this video real quick. I'm making a video. This is a video in between my video. But this thing, yep, where you slide the dovetail plate in, well, I went and tightened it and it just about fell out. And so a quick fix, if this isn't tightening your dovetail plate, all you need is a little, I think this is a 2.5 millimeter hex key. If you move this lever horizontally like this, all you have to do, hold on, let me get a better angle. Okay, this angle is a lot better. So this little lever here, make it horizontal. I don't know if you can see it, there's a hole right here. Grab your 2.5 millimeter hex, place it in there, and all you have to do is turn it clockwise to tighten it. That's it. So now, I put this up here. Boom. Oh, that's a huge difference. That's way tighter. So, yeah. Okay, so I hope that helps somebody. Because yeah, that could have been like a $10,000 plus loss. So, yeah, anyway, that's it. God bless. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh, no way. Wow. That's not tight. I gotta fix that.